If you're a stay-at-home mom like me and you want to make money from the comfort of your home, comfort of your kitchen, or you have something else you're doing, but you just want to make some extra cash this year, then this video is for you. I want to take you through two simple things you can venture into that is going to make you a lot of money. And this is not something you need so much capital. If you have 100,000, a 200,000, a 500,000, you can do this business I want to share with you. And I'm not just going to just list it, and I'm going to tell you the two businesses and then how you can start and how you can scale. So if you're ready for this, let's dive right in. So the first business you need to do, and you can do it from the comfort of your home, is content creation. Now, I know you've heard it 1001 time that you should start content creation. But one thing that holds people down is, oh, I cannot shoot, I cannot film, I cannot stay in front of camera like this and talk. But do you know that there are faceless content styles you can do? Faceless content styles. Like, I have a video where I share 10 faceless. If you're camera shy, you don't want to sit in front of camera, or you don't want people to know that it's you, that means you're shy now. There are 10 faceless channels that you can venture into, and you can take these content styles to your TikTok, to your Facebook, to your Instagram. That's if you are camera shy. But if you're not camera shy and you want to, be like this, like show your face and talk or create some content, then please do go into content creation. You can do it from home. You can do it like a lifestyle vlogs. If you check my short videos, you'll see what a lifestyle vlog is. Just sharing a little piece of your life. Some persons think that when you're doing lifestyle vlogs, you're showing people your life. Is what you want people to see, that people will see. So if you are at home right now and you're looking for something else to do, or you have something you're doing but you just want to like add up some extra income, then content creation is for you. For me, I do content creation like a full-time job because I'm just home, and then I'm a YouTuber. I operate two YouTube channels right now. I even manage pages for people on Facebook and Instagram. So content creation is my thing right now. I do it like a full-time job. You can do it because it can pay you. You can earn from the platform. You can also earn from, you can earn from other sources, just from your, just like me now. I sell on my Facebook and on my Instagram, on my TikTok. I just share my daily lifestyle and also advertise my business. I sell from home. I sell ready to wear outfits from home. So while I'm working and other can just come in, I'll just leave what I'm doing, go pack the orders, call my rider to come and pick up and then deliver to the customer. It's as easy as that. So when you're doing content creation, you will, even if you while you're starting, just start and grow the audience, and then along the line you start selling something. That's, you create content around that thing and you make money. So content creation is one thing you should do this year. And like I said, if you're shy, you cannot face camera, then this 10 faceless YouTube channels is for you, and you can also apply these content styles on other social media platforms. How do you start a YouTube channel? It's very simple. There are also videos on my channel that tells you how to start, what you need, how to film a video. You can say with 50k, if you have a phone that has camera, which I know you do, for you to be accessing YouTube, you have a phone that has camera. If you are using Android, I would advise you be filming with your back camera, because even now I'm filming with my iPhone, but I'm filming with back camera. I'm not even using lights because my lighting in kitchen is soft, and I just want a soft lighting for this video. Okay, so you can, if you have a phone, which you do, of course, all you need is just a mic. I will advise you get a mic because it will reduce the noise in your background. Get a mic like this. This mic is 35,000. There are mics, there are those small lapel mics for 10,000, 12,000, 15,000. So get a mic, get a tripod, because right now I'm filming, like my phone is on my tripod. Okay, my phone is on my tripod and I am, filming with it. Then you need lighting. If you don't have, like, it's not, if you check my videos, there are times I set my light and I film, but this one I just want to use the kitchen and then make the light very soft so the video can just be easily relatable. All right, so that's all you need to start content creation. If you put all this together, it's not even up to 50k, then you can start. What do you create content about? Go and watch the videos on content style that I shared with you. Check the description of this video. I also put the links there. You will see different type of content you can ask. See, content is very easy, whether you want to show your face or not. So make sure you do content creation this year. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Just choose a platform and start from there. Start with a platform, and then as you're growing, for me, I started with all my platforms, and YouTube went viral first. So anyone you want to start, you start with anyone, and then you're good to go. Is that the first thing you need to do this year to make money? Either you make it a full time or use like a side hustle. YouTube content creation. The second thing you need to do, which will also require you to create content around it, because you are now in an era where you cannot just open a social media page for a business or for a services and then you just be posting pictures and videos there. No, you have to create content around it, let people relate with you. Okay, not just as a vendor. okay, relate with you, and that will make people to easily trust you and buy from you. But the second thing you need to do this year to make money from home is to find something to sell. And if you ask me to recommend what you need to sell from home, I will recommend you sell fashion wears. Fashion wears. You see, women, no matter how hard this economy is, women are slaying, women are making money, women are looking good. And I am into a ready to wear business for women, and I can tell you that I don't even know when the economy is hard or not for my customers, because you will see somebody that is ready to buy outfits, new outfits every weekend to wear to church on Sunday. And it's very easy, just like my business. I always recommend my ready to wear business to anybody, because I believe the sky is big enough for everybody, and anywhere you are, you can do ready to wear business. My ready to wear business, in fact, I don't need to explain more. This is my page. My old page was taken down, so this is my new Facebook page. You go through it, you know what I mean by ready to wear business. Ankara outfit that are already sewn. Okay, so I have my tailors that do the work for me. I get my fabrics, get the styles for them, and they produce in mass, and I sell in wholesale and also in retail. It's something you can do from home. It's very comfortable. So while I am editing my videos, while I am doing one or two social media stuffs, I receive order because I just run my ads and my ads just keep going. When I get new arrivals, I create content around it, and then I post and just let my ads be running. And once in a while during the day, I pick up my phone and reply messages, take orders, and then my rider comes to pick up, as easy as that. So if you're home, okay, it's not a bad thing to be home. We're sacrificing our time, our career, just to be home, to managing the home, wait for children to come back from school. Just like now, I'm checking the time while I'm filming, and then my phone's also close to me. This is 14:04. 14:04. My daughter's school bus will be here in no time. So I am always home to receive her. I'm not saying you cannot work. Of course you can work. I was working before I gave birth, but I said to just stay home, pick up this career, and it's doing me well. So even if you're working, you can also do this side hustles. When you come back from work, you rest a little, and then you pick up your camera and you film. You can always also do vlogs. When you wake up in the morning, just record few of your activities for the day, and then you put them all together into a vlog. If you want to be doing it like full vlogs, like gather like 2 days vlog, one full day vlog, can do it. If you just like morning routine, you can do it anyhow you want to do it. If you want to learn how to be recording vlogs, that's one easy content style for stay at home moms. There is a video I also add to it, this video right here, to show you how to record vlogs, okay, from home or anywhere, just to give you an idea on how to record vlogs. Also check my shorts, you will see like my short videos, see how I do my simple vlogs, and it's very very interesting whenever you watch it. So that's it guys, content creation on YouTube is one business idea, and then sell something from home. And if you ask me what I recommend you sell from home, is fashion wears, because people, women especially. And then another reason why you should sell fashion is because you're not worried about it getting spoiled or getting expired. The clothes will not spoil. That's why I'm even more relaxed. I just let it be. You can see me, I'm taking stocks of my goods. So I'm just relaxed because it's clothes, it's not going to get bad. All right. So that's it, guys. And I hope your year is amazing and fruitful. If you gained anything from this video, let me know in the comment section, and also share it to your loved ones, because the sky is big enough for everyone. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.